All. Today we are going to see how to use Notepad to create a Python file and how to run that file. So for that, first I will open Notepad. So in Windows I will search your Notepad, enter. So you have to open Notepad. Once Notepad is open, so we will write here Python code. For example, I am writing here code to add two numbers. For example, I am taking one number here, or otherwise I will define one function which add two numbers. So here I am writing Python code. So I will take here add one. It is taking two arguments a, b, and here. So this will return a plus b. Okay. Now next what we have to do, we have to call this function. So I will call this function using these two arguments 100 and 200, and whatever the return value of this function, I will take in one variable, that is add result with equality operator, assignment sign you have to use, then you have to print the result of addition is this is our Python code. Now what we have to do, we have to save this file. So first we are going to save this file as, you have to click on save as. So you have to go to the particular location. For example, I will go to the study, that is E drive, and here one Python code folder. So I will save this file as test.py. So remember, you have to give .py extension as this is Python file, and you have to click on save. Now this file is saved in that folder. So we will go to that folder. So this. So this is E drive Python code. So what we have to do, we have to open here command, Windows command line. So we have to give here cmd. So it has opened the Windows command line. Now I want to run this test.py file. So how to run this? So we have to use Python command, and you have to give test.py. So this is your file name which you want to run using Python interpreter. So I will click here enter. So it will give me result of addition is 300. So what code we have written? We have written one function which is doing addition of 100 and 200, and the final result is 300. So we got here output. So in this way you can write your code in Notepad file, and using Windows command line you can run that code. So while doing installation, we have ticked one option, that is add to path. So because of that option, we can access Python from any location in our computer. So that was the purpose of that checkbox. So in this way you can create the file and you can run this using Windows command line. So thanks for watching the video, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.